I spent 2 weeks in Ghana with my family. All right, and in this video, this is going to be some highlights of the Ghanaian Alata Samina soap making method. This was such a cool experience, and I am definitely gonna be making more Alata Samina soap, especially when I'm back in Ghana again. Oh my gosh, I even want to learn how to make the potash. That's what I'm very excited to learn. And I think this teacher can help me do that. And so the Alata Samina, it's a very long, lengthy process. It was the last soap that we made because it takes the longest time. And so we could kind of stagger and prepare and learn everything until we got to that point. So it was me, my husband, and the instructor, and we actually went outside. The hotel had set up a table for us so that we could cook the soap outside. So you're going to see what that experience was like too.
Oh, okay.
Well, we've been here for
It's like
2 weeks.
I always tell people,
Oh, okay.
like, give them enough rope to hang themselves with.
So how do you find? You
So if
didn't
you
enjoy
want to
the
say
Christmas
something crazy,
because
then
of
back it up. Where,
our
where'd you get that
election.
from?
Okay.
Well, someplace where? Where's the sources? Where did they get it from? Has it been validated? Has it, or it's just talk on the internet? Bring a bunch of idiots, you know? A little echo chamber. It's like go abroad. It's like, oh, true, yeah, China. It's embarrassing.
Just production and distribution of sanitizers. That's all that I was doing.
Wow. Hey, about that, you'd be sitting at home doing nothing.
I'm really just saving Ghana, you know, and helping people.
Oh yeah. Once a while we get people. Like last month or so, this guy was disabled. He couldn't do anything, but he said he doesn't want to go and beg. And so she come and teach him how to do the sanitizer. So went there and I understand that when he was young, this polio vaccination, he wasn't giving.
Oh, he wasn't doing it.
He wasn't giving. So it's like he became crippled, and then they hand to one of them. And so the father left him with the mother. And then the mother too was going to remarry. The new man said that he doesn't want that child. So she took that child to a grandfather.
What?
The grandfather is a retired driver who's also sitting at home.
She didn't kick him out and say, I'm not going to marry you?
Go to the place and the first I went there, I wept. But if you look at, it's an old kiosk, actually kiosk, not a building, not a house.
So that this is towards the final stages.
And darken a little bit.
So darker in color and more dry.
Exactly.
Okay, but this stage is okay.
It's okay. So stay briefly and then, They get to this stage, the smoke becomes too much.
I can imagine if you had a big vat.
Yeah, that's the final stage. For the final stage, that's what happens. The smoke becomes
So much
so this stage you need to keep turning.
Okay. Final stage.
Yeah.
It's done. Wow.
So that it's dry.
Wow. Oh, wow.
So if you want it to darken a bit, it means that you can leave it on fire
A little longer.
So from this stage, what would have done is to just pour it onto the plastic.
Yeah,
so
spread
that
it out.
Cools, yeah, spread it for it to cool.
Okay. All right, cool. All right. I'm going to do one more mix.
Okay, turn it.
You got me in the video?